Hello and welcome to the Matillion Ideas portals. I'm Joe and I'm the Technical Community Coordinator here at Matillion. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Matillion Ideas portal. We will explain the life cycle of an idea, the benefits it has to our roadmap, and how you can get involved. Why have we got an Ideas portal? This allows you to help shape our roadmap and have an input into the Matillion products you use. You can raise ideas, vote on existing submissions, and discuss the impact of the suggestions with the Matillion product team and your wider community members. So if there is some functionality you feel is missing, or you have some suggestions on how we can improve our platform, please raise an idea or cast your vote for existing submissions and help shape our future roadmap. Raising an idea cannot be easier. All you need is to access either our Matillion Data Loader community or our Matillion ETL community. Within both of these, you can find the Ideas portal that relates to the products the community is in parallel with. For this example, I'll be using the Ideas portal on the Matillion ETL community. First, you should navigate to the Ideas portal. This can be accessed via the home page icon or the Explorer bar at the top of the screen. Before raising an idea, it is always good to look at the existing submissions. You can do this by the search bar or the filters and categories. The Ideas portal is always being updated, so it's good to check back and see what is new. Any ideas you like, you can cast your vote on, and please feel free to use the downvote button. This helps us know what functionality will have the greatest impact on our customers. Plus, if there is an idea you like the look of, please do sign up to follow it and be notified of any updates, such as comments and when the idea is implemented into the product itself. If you cannot find an existing idea, then click the Post an Idea button. A window will appear, which will be where you write your idea. First of all, you'll be asked for a title. Keep it short, but ensure it covers what your idea is. We read over them all, but to get users to vote, it's good to keep it snappy, intriguing, but also cover what it is you want to raise. You will then need to add your idea to the correct category, so people can filter their searches. Next is to add the description. Be sure to cover all aspects of your idea and tell us why. It's always nice for us and other users to understand why a user wants a specific feature or a connector. We want users to vote your idea, so be sure to sell it to them. What happens next? After you've raised your idea in the communities, it'll be reviewed by the Matillion product team. Every idea raised is reviewed by our team. When the idea is first raised, its status will be product team review. Once this has been carried out, it will change, reflecting what the product team has decided concerning the idea. The Matillion product team will always leave an official answer on an idea when the status has changed. We'll always encourage users to continue to vote on an idea until it's implemented. If you have any questions or suggestions relating to an idea, please comment it. The team are always reviewing these and will be happy to answer any queries. We hope you check out and use the Ideas portal. We have already seen ideas implemented thanks to user suggestions, and we want this trend to continue. For any further information, head to the link on the screen. Thank you.